Hi guys, it's Miss Lane, and today I'm going to teach you how to do at-home bowling. So the first thing you need is a ball or a spear of some sort that you can roll on the ground. And the next few things that you need are 10 objects that you can roll your ball into. Okay, so in bowling you have 10 pins, but right now we aren't able to use the bowling pins, so you just work with whatever you can. I chose to get spices because I have a lot of different spices, even though I don't cook all the time. I have tons of these. So first, if you're using spices, make sure it's okay with your parents and make sure that the lids are on really tight. So the first thing you need to do is set up your bowling pins. My bowling pins are these spices. So the back line is going to have 4 bowling pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next line is going to have 3. 1, 2, 3. Go on. And go Daphne. And the the next line is going to have 2. 1, 2. And the last one is going to have 1. Okay, so you should have 4 spices in the back, then 3, then 2, and 1. And it should make a triangle. And now you're ready to bowl. So you would take your bowling ball and gently roll it. I only got 2 of my pins down, so I get 2 points. So if you're playing with a partner, 1 pin is 1 point. So if you knock down a pin, you get 1 point. And whoever has the most after 10 rounds wins. I hope you guys had fun today, and I miss y'all, and I love y'all, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye.